Our next properties we're going to look at is finding the axis of symmetry and the vertex of the parabola. So this will kind of get us to start graphing it, like putting points on the graph. Right? So if we have a function, a quadratic function, ax squared plus bx plus c, this is a parabola where the axis of symmetry is given by x equals negative b over 2a. So this is basically what you want to remember. Some kind of main formula for starting to graph a parabola. The vertex is a point on the axis of symmetry, so the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b over 2a. And the y-coordinate is found by substituting that number that you found back into the quadratic equation. Right? Sometimes we call the vertex h, comma, k. So the vertex is a coordinate point on the graph. It's either the lowest point on the graph or the highest point on the graph. And the h is given by negative b over 2a. That's the formula for it. And the k, you take the h value that you found and you plug it into the equation for your function, and that gives you the k value. So that will tell you where to plot that vertex. Right? So let's look at this example. So we want to find the axis and symmetry and the vertex for this function, 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. So we're going to use the formula. So the h equals negative b over 2a. A is 3, b is negative 6, and c is 2. It's the same like a, b, c that you use to solve a quadratic equation with a quadratic formula. So we have negative of negative 6, 2 times 3. Positive 6 over 6 gives me 1. Okay? So x equals 1 is the axis of symmetry. Alright, now the vertex, the x value is 1. Just basically these are always the same. To find the y value, we take this and plug it into the function. So basically we're going to take this value of 1 and put it into the function to find the y value. Okay, so we get 3 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 2. 3 minus 6 plus 2 gives me negative 1. So the y value of the vertex is negative 1. Alright, so x is 1 is the axis of symmetry. The vertex is at this coordinate point, 1, negative 1.